Do you like good coffee? Same. Do you have an espresso machine in your back pocket? Me neither. It doesn't have to be that complicated. I'm gonna show you guys how you can make coffee in a mason jar, super simple, so you don't have to keep life waiting. So put a filter over the top of your mason jar. I'm using a cheesecloth. You can use a coffee filter if you have one. If you don't, this also works great. You can use a paper towel, whatever you got lying around. And secure your cloth over the mason jar with rubber band, anything you have to secure the cloth. I'm gonna use some clothespins here. Put them on the sides. Make sure you have a nice dent in the cloth to hold the grounds in the hot water. There you go. If you're grinding your own coffee beans, try to get a medium fine ground. Scoop that onto your filter. Boil a couple cups of water, and once the water is hot, pour enough of the hot water over the grounds to saturate the beans, letting them release carbon dioxide in a process called blooming. So once you've boiled your water, it's good to let it rest for about 20 seconds, and that gets it to the ideal temperature of around 200 degrees for your coffee. Once that has happened, just keep pouring the water over, let it strain through the cloth. I am my own fancy espresso machine. Let's do a taste test. Oh yeah. There you go. Quick, unfancy, fancy tasting coffee. And you can have it on the go. Speaking of which, you understand.